Good morning students, I am Pankaj Singh. Today I am going to explain chapter first, number system. In our previous classes we have learned about various types of numbers such as a natural number, whole number, integers, rational number, etc. And their the representation on the number line. In this chapter we shall study rational number, irrational number and their the representation on the number line and laws of the exponent for the real numbers. Let us review the various types of number. So A is a natural number. As we know that the counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ... infinite means they are not ends are called a natural number. The smallest natural number is 1, but there is no large as it goes up to infinite. The set of the natural number is denoted by n. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so on, because they are not end. ये कभी खत्म नहीं होते, इसीलिए इनको नेचुरल नंबर्स बोलते हैं. सेकंड इज होल नंबर. In the set number, if we include the number 0, the resulting set is known as the set of whole number. The set of whole number is denoted by W. So W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 so on. Okay, natural number we are denoted by n and whole number we are denoted by 0. There is a difference only. Whole number start with 0 and natural number is start with 1. Okay. Now next number is integers. Integers. Natural number are along with 0 and there is the negative are called the integers. The set of integers is denoted by z. Therefore z is equal to ... because -5, -3, -2, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so on. Means here also there is unlimited and here also infinite. So the set of integers counting negative numbers 0, negative number 0 and there the negative are called the integers. The set of integer is denoted by z. D is rational number. Rational number. A rational number is a number which can be expressed P upon Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q is not is equal to 0. Thus Q is equal to P upon Q, P upon Q, Q is not equal to 0, P and Q is equal to Z. So for example of rational number 5, because 5 we write like that 5 upon 1, it is a P upon Q form and Q is not equal to 0. Minus 11, 11 is equal to minus 11 upon 1. Okay students. After the knowing natural number, whole number, integer and rational number, we know others numbers. So that is a number. What is the number? Number, the natural number or whole number. So number What is the number? The natural number or whole number are known as number. Means it is a number. 0, 1, 2, 3. It is a number. The natural number or whole number are known as number. An even number, we are familiar with this number, no? Even number. A number which is divisible by 2, which is divisible by 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8. It is divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, so on. Okay, 9. 9 is not divisible by 2, so it is not a even number. Okay, odd number. Even number means सम संख्या, इसको हिंदी में हम लोग सम संख्या बोलते हैं. ऑड नंबर हिंदी में हम इस संख्या को विषम संख्या बोलते हैं. ऑड नंबर. ओके, ऑड नंबर इज which cannot divisible by 2, like a 3, 5, 7, because it is not divisible by 2, so it is a odd number. Third is prime number. Prime number, a natural number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number, like a 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. मीन्स ये जो नंबर हैं वो इट सेल्फ डिवाइड होते हैं, मीन्स इससे ही डिवाइड होंगे. जैसे 2 ओनली 2 से डिवाइड होगा, 3 ओनली डिविजिबल बाय 3, 5 डिविजिबल बाय 5, 7 डिविजिबल बाय 7 ओनली, 8 it's divisible by 2, 9 it's divisible by 3, so it's not a prime number. Prime number, a natural number which is divisible by 1 itself is called a prime number. Okay, then composite number. Composite number, a whole number that can be divisible evenly by number other than 1 or itself. 4, 6, 8, 9. 4, you see, 4 is divisible by 2 and itself. 4 1 ja 4. 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3 ja 6 and 6 1 ja 6. So it is a composite number. Okay. Then co-prime number. What is the co-prime number? Co-prime number. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. Condition here, HCF is 1. For example, 4 and 5. Because 4, while we divide by 4, doing the HCF, 2 2s are LCM, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and here is 1. 5, it's divisible itself. 5 1s are 5 and 1 1s are 1. So 4, 1 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So 1 2 2, it is a LCM of 4. Then 5, 1 multiply 5. So there is a condition, two numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. It is a co-prime number. HCF is 1, second is 8, 9, 15, 16, etc. It is a co-prime number. Clear, students? After this co-prime number, what terminating decimals? Terminating decimal. Terminating decimals means a number which is divides completely in decimals or whole number is called a terminating decimals. For example, 3/5. Now we are dividing 3 to 5. 5 it's not divisible by, so 0. Then point. Here we expand 1 0. 5 6 ja 30. So 3/5 is equal to 0.6. So it is terminating decimals. Their remainder is 0. So it is terminating decimals. Second example, 20/4. 4 5 ja 25. So it is also terminating decimals. Here is 5. Okay, here is 5. There is no remainder, 0. So it is also terminating decimals. Then after non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimals is a number which cannot be divisible completely in decimal or whole number. For example, process of division will never end is called a non-terminating decimal. For example, 1/11. Now we see the result. Okay, here is 11, here is 1. No, upside is, sorry, 11 divisible by, here 0, not divisible by, then point, again, then 0, again, then 11 9s are 99, 1 is remainder, again 0 0, 11 9, then again 0, then here 100, 11 9s are 99, same condition, 0 1, again 11 9s are 99. So we seen this one steps, there is always remainder 1 1 1. So it is a non-terminate decimals. Understand? So 1/11 is equal to 0.090909 bar. Means this condition should be again and again, again and again. So it is a non-terminating decimals. Understand? So students, you write in your notes this all definition. Means first is natural number, whole number, integers, rational number, even number, prime number, composite number, co-prime number, टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल्स एंड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. मीन्स आपको ये नोट में कंप्लीटली लिख के आना है विथ डेरिवेशन एंड एग्जाम्पल. सभी आप नोट में फर्स्ट में लिखेंगे, फिर उसके बाद नोट आपको स्टार्ट करना है. आई होप यू आर क्लियर दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. So you have to try once again these things and write 2 example of each: non-terminating, terminate decimal, even odd number. So you have to start your notes. Thank you, my students.